around with the left. Oh, just missed. Combination, left, right. Good combination. Quick jab. Oh, caught it right there. Caught a left guard mid jab. Good strong. Great job on the reversal. Passes to half guard. Nice left hand. Ground and pound. What a great reaction from the crowd. Trying to ground and pound. Body shot. Oh, he got his back. Oh, this is bad. He's going to try to soften him up, Joe. He's got the hooks in. He needs to get that arm across the chin. He's got to be... And he's going to work for that rear naked choke, Joe. Trying to get that arm in. Oh, he lost it. Nice escape. He left him up. 2 minutes remains in round number 1. Good exchange. Both men. Oh, left hook. Eats a jab. Eats a jab. 90 seconds remain. Good straight right. Good body kick. Nice leg kick. Under a minute remains. Seconds remain for the first round. Beautiful left hook. Uppercut. Final 30 seconds. Non-title fight. Scheduled for 3 5-minute rounds. Caught him with a kick. 15 seconds on the clock. Round's going to come to conclusion. He's down. Left hook, he's down. Joe, the way that fight was getting rocked, you can see he was truly staying on the ground. I'm very surprised he made it out of that round. Let's take a look at some of that action here. Whole range, that's what it's open away from there. You heard him back 3 times in that fight. Give me 4. The lovely Edith gets us set for round number 2. Second round, fight scheduled for 3 5-minute rounds. Body shot. Trying to come around with the left. And knocks him down. Oh, got the kick in there, and he decides to let him up. Straight right. Oh, caught it right there. Caught a left arm knee jab. Left, right. Pushing forward quickly. He's eating some punches. Just missed with that one. Gotta keep those hands up. And a right cross. Nice left hand. Good jab. Under 3 minutes now. Combination, left, right. Quick jab. Well over 2 minutes remains in round number 1. Good body kick. Inside leg kick. Oh, landed a shot there. Under 2 minutes remain. With the overhand right. Nice right hook. 90 seconds remain. Oh, just missed. Swing and a miss. Just over a minute remains in round 1. Nice hook. And again, big right hook, and now he's going to look for the finish. He still hasn't regained his senses.